What's up, everybody? This is Danny Mathematics here with another example to explore. And today, guys, I want to go over example 12 of how to add, subtract, multiply, and simplify polynomials or polynomial expressions. And in number 12, guys, we have this polynomial of 7 times parentheses 10x to the 5th power minus 6x minus 10x to the 3rd power, parentheses closed, minus 4 times parentheses 10x minus 2x to the 5th power minus 14x to the 3rd power, parentheses closed, okay? So the first thing that we need to do, guys, is we need to distribute, because if you notice, right, we have 2 sets of parentheses, and each set has a number that's attached to the outside of those parentheses, or that particular parentheses, okay? So in the first parenthesis, guys, we have 7 that's attached to the outside of that, meaning that we're going to distribute or multiply by 7. The second parentheses, we have a -4 that's attached to the outside, meaning that we're going to distribute or multiply everything inside by -4, okay? So let's start off with the first parentheses, which has a 7 that's attached on the outside. So I'm going to distribute by 7. So 7 times 10x to the 5th power is 70x. 70x to the 5th power. Okay? All right, 7 times -6x is going to be a -42x. Because 7 times -6 is -42, so it's going to be a -42x. Okay? And then 7 times a -10x to the 3rd power is going to be a -70x to the 3rd power. Okay? The same thing that we must do, guys, for the second parentheses. Okay, we have to distribute by multiplying everything inside by -4. All right, so let's do that. So -4 times 10x is going to be a -40x. So I'm going to put minus 40 x. Okay, and then next we have -4 times a -2x to the 5th power, which is going to be a positive 8x to the 5th power. Positive 8x to the 5th power. Okay, and then -4 times -14 is going to be a positive 56. A positive 56 is going to be a positive 56x to the 3rd power. 56x to the 3rd power. Okay? So now, guys, we have successfully distributed. Now all we need to do is combine like terms. All right, so we're going to combine like terms, guys. So look at the variable. The only variable that I see is x, and the highest power of x that I see is x to the 5th power. The second highest power that I see is x to the 3rd power, and then the next group that I see is just x to the 1st power. That's the 3 groups that I see, okay? I don't see any numbers or any constants, so I don't have to put that. So let's start off with x to the 5th power. Let's start off with that group. I see 70x to the 5th power, and I'm going to combine it with 8x to the 5th power. 70x to the 5th power plus 8x to the 5th power is going to be 78x to the 5th power. Excuse me. 78x to the 5th power. All right, that's done. All right. Now we want to go to x to the 3rd power, x to the 3rd power. All right, and x to the 3rd power, I have -70x to the 3rd power, and I have a positive 56x to the 3rd power, right? -70 plus 56 is a negative 14. It's a negative 14. So it's going to be a negative 14x to the third power. So negative 14x to the third power. All right, I can cross those out. And then the last group that I have, guys, is just x, or x to the first power, right? And the two values that I have is going to be a negative 42x, right? And a negative 40x, right? Negative 42 plus a negative 40 is a negative 82. So that's going to equal out to a negative 82 or minus 82. X, okay? So yes. So now, guys, remember we cannot combine these because x is to different degrees, so we can't combine these values. So this is the simplified version of our polynomial expression, which is 78x to the fifth power minus 14x to the third power minus 82x. All right? Thank y'all so much, guys, for tuning in. I will talk to y'all later. Thank you.